Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this sort of scratch and sketch paper that's really easy and fun. You can make this if you are just bored or you just want to try this out. Shout out goes to Joker Elite 456 and Since Gaming. So if you guys want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe and watch the video till the end. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. To do our scratch and sketch paper, you will need any kind of paper, at least 2 or 3 different color of paint, a photo paper, and a paintbrush. First, take your photo paper. Next, take your paint and start pouring a little bit of paint so you can fill the whole photo paper with paint. And when you are pouring or just like brushing everything off, make sure you can add a little bit more of paint so everything can fill up, and then add your other layer of paint. So mine is purple, so I added 2 layers of paint. You can add 2 or 3 layers of paint, so I added 2. And if you want to add more layers, it will be kind of more creative, so I prefer you to do more layers. So when you are done and letting your paper dry for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, take a pretty sharp tool that's going to work for this type of project, like a thumbtack, push pin, needles, or even an earring is going to work for this. So anything that's pointy or sharp is going to work. So right now I'm testing out with a pencil, but it's definitely not going to work because it doesn't have a pointy tip, and it's definitely not going to work, as I mentioned before. So try finding something that's kind of pointy so you can start sketching or doing anything fun that you want to do. So while I'm doing this, I'm just writing my YouTube channel BD25 and some little like quotes around it, or some little design I'm doing, and some little hearts beneath it. So with this, you can do practically anything with it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.